Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest of the world's oceans with a total area of about 106,460,000 square kilometers. It covers approximately 20% of the Earth's surface and about 29% of its water surface area. Area, 41.1 million mi squared. Max. Depth, 8,486 meters, 27,841 feet. Coordinates, 0 degrees and 25 degrees W, 0 degrees and 25 degrees W. Coordinates, 0 degrees and 25 degrees W, 0 degrees and 25 degrees W. Average depth, 3,646 meters, 11,962 feet. Shore length SUP1/SUP, 111,866 kilometers, 69,510 miles, including marginal seas. Islands: Ascension Island, St. Helena, Bouvet Island, Moore. Bridges: Ile de Ré Bridge, Atlantic Bridge, Panama, Colombo Solis Bridge. Atlantic Ocean. Coordinates 0 degrees and 25 degrees. Coordinates, 0 degrees and 25 degrees W. Surface area 106,460,000 square kilometers, 41,100,000 square miles. North Atlantic, 41,490,000 square kilometers, 16,020,000 square miles. South Atlantic 40,270,000 square kilometers, 15,550,000 square miles. Average depth 3,646 meters, 11,962 feet. Max. Depth 8,486 meters, 27,841 feet. Water volume 310,410,900 cubic kilometers, 74,471,500 cubic miles. Shore length 111,866 kilometers, 69,510 miles, including marginal seas. Trenches: Puerto Rico, South Sandwich, Romanche,